Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to prevent extension uninstall on Chrome using a simple registry editor method. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, press the Windows key on your keyboard to open the search menu. Once the search bar appears, type in regedit and hit enter. This will bring up the registry editor application. Click on registry editor to launch it. You may see a user account control prompt asking for permission, so go ahead and click yes to proceed. Once the registry editor opens, you'll see a folder structure on the left side of the window. Look for and click on HKY underscore as LL underscore machine to expand it. This is one of the main registry hives where system-wide settings are stored. Next, locate and click on the software folder within HKey underscore ALL underscore machine. This section contains settings for all the software installed on your computer. Now scroll down through the software folder until you find the policies folder. Once you've located it, right-click on Policies, hover over New, and then click on Key from the submenu that appears. This creates a new registry key that will help us set Chrome policies. Name this new key Google, making sure to use a capital G at the start. This key will contain all Google-related policies. After creating the Google key, right-click on it, hover over New again, and click Key. Name this one Chrome with a capital C. This key will specifically store Chrome browser policies. Now right-click on the Chrome key you just created, hover over New, and click Key once more. For this key, you'll need to name it Extension Install Force List. Make sure to type it exactly as I'm showing on the screen so you can copy the full format correctly. This key is what tells Chrome which extensions should be force installed and protected from removal. Next, right-click on the Extension Install Force List key, hover over New, and this time click on String Value. Name this string value simply as 1. This number represents the first extension you want to protect. Now double-click on the string value you just created to edit it. This will open a small window where you can enter the value data. At this point, you'll need the extension ID from your Chrome browser. Open Google Chrome and click on the extension icon at the top right of the browser. From the drop-down menu, click on Manage Extensions. On the Extensions page, look for the toggle button labeled Developer Mode in the top right corner and click it to turn it on. Once Developer Mode is enabled, you'll be able to see the extension ID displayed under each installed extension. Find the extension you want to protect and copy its ID. Go back to the Registry Editor window and paste the extension ID into the Value Data field. After pasting the ID, you'll need to add a specific URL right after it. Type in https://clients2.google.com/service/update2/crx. I'm showing this on the screen so you can pause the video and copy it exactly as written. This URL tells Chrome where to download and verify the extension from. Once you've entered everything correctly, click OK to save the string value. Now to apply these changes, you'll need to restart your computer, close the registry editor, and restart your system. After your computer boots back up, the extension will be protected and users won't be able to uninstall it through the normal Chrome interface. And that's it, you've successfully locked down your Chrome extension using the Windows registry. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.